Welcome back to Pilates by Daniella. Today's focus is core and obliques. All you need is your mat and 1 to 2 pound wrist weights or 1 to 3 pound hand weights. Let's get started. In 15 seconds, alternating abdominal twist. Start seated on your mat with your shoulders behind your hips. Tuck your tailbone and arms are rounded. Alternating abdominal twist. Start in a rowboat position with your shoulders behind your hips and a C curve to your low back. Arms are rounded. Twist, bringing your elbow to your mat. In 15 seconds, side bend. Base position. Left knee on your mat, right leg extended, hands behind your head. Side bend. Begin with your hands behind your head. Inhale, bending to your left side. Exhale to come back to center. Use your right side oblique to help pull your body to center, stacking your chest over your hips. Avoid letting your left knee come out past your left hip towards the left side of your mat. Find the control on the way to the bottom, as well as control to the top and center. Option to bend your right knee slightly to alleviate any knee or hip pain. Take your time bending towards the bottom of your mat and take your time rising to center. In 15 seconds, add a twist. Base position, left knee is still on the mat, right leg is extended. Side bend plus twist. Turn your chest to the mat at the bottom of your side bend. Inhale to prep, exhale twist. Inhale to prep, exhale to center. In 15 seconds, abdominal twist plus an overhead reach. Base position. Rowboat seated on your mat with your shoulders behind your hips, hands in prayer pose. Abdominal twist plus overhead reach. Maintain the C curve in your low back. Inhale to prep. Exhale, reach one arm overhead and across your body. Alternate each arm, inhaling at center, exhaling to reach. Avoid letting your shoulders come forward and stacking over your hips. Keep your shoulders behind your hips. Maintain a pelvic tilt up towards your chin and draw your navel to your spine. To amplify, you can lift one foot or both feet off of your mat, maintaining a tabletop rowboat hold. In 15 seconds, side bend. Base position. Right knee on your mat, left leg extended, hands behind your head. Side bend. Hands behind your head. Inhale as you bend to your right, dropping your right elbow toward your mat. Exhale as you come to center. Feel the lengthening of your left side oblique as you bend. Exhale, contracting your left side oblique to bring your chest to center, stacking your chest over your hips. To alleviate any knee or hip pain, you can bend your left knee slightly. Also, avoid letting your right knee come out past your right hip on your mat. Inhale, bend. Exhale to center. Find your control and take your time bending and coming to center. In 15 seconds, add a twist. Base position. Right knee still on the mat, left leg extended, hands behind your head. Side bend plus a twist. Side bend, then twist your chest down toward your mat. Inhale to bend, exhale, twist. Inhale, prep, exhale, back to center. In 15 seconds, final exercise, abdominal twist. Rowboat position, arms rounded, C curve to your low back. Final exercise, abdominal twist. Rowboat position, shoulders behind your hips, C curve with your low back. Arms are rounded. Inhale to prep. Exhale, twist, dropping your elbow to your mat. Final 15 seconds of effort. Keep fighting. This is not the time to quit. You have 8 seconds left. Recover in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wow, way to rock day 8 of the 10-day challenge. Incredible work. Thank you for sharing your energy with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, you can follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. See you tomorrow.